So in today's video, I will be showing you a relational database that I will be using, and later on I will be performing different kinds of Excel functions. So let's get started. So as we can see in the Excel file, there is a given model table here and tables for VLOOKUP. So later on we will be using that table. So on the other side, this will be I will be using this one to indicate gender, birthday month, and etc. So first, let's start with the gender. So we want to identify what gender or what is the gender of Bonifacio Andres. So in the formula bar, let's type VLOOKUP, and then click this lookup value, comma. After that, we locate this table array here and then lock it. The purpose of locking it is that for us to not have any error later on as we drag it down. Next is the column index number, which is 2 because it is located in column 2, and false because we want an exact info to appear later on as we enter it. So yeah, it's a male. Since it's locked, we just need to drag it down for the rest. Next will be our birthday month. So for the birthday month, I did data validation. So how did I do it? So go to data, click this data validation. You can see there's a table here, a box, allow list, and the source is located here. Mm. So you just need to select it and click OK. Yeah. Next, let's proceed to the birthday month. So we look up again, click this, look up value, table array here, and then we need to lock it so that later on there will be no error. Next is 2, column index 2, and false. To have an exact information. Drag it down. That's it. Next is the employment status. Yeah. How did I know its employment status? So I just look at this model table here and encode it here. Okay, for the employment we look up value, comma, this one, lock it, to, comma, and then false. Just drag it down again for the rest. Okay, employment status ID. Again, it is located in the model table. So for the employment status, we look up again, look up value, comma, and here, select it, select this one, and then lock it, column index number 2, and then false for the exact information. And just drag it down. That's it. That's how this works. Using VLOOKUP, data validation, and for the next one, I'll be using this data information here. So the condition of this data is that we want to locate how many students got 75 above in their math test. So to identify that, we use the COUNTIF function. Click here from Chad, from Greece to Mark. Okay, I'll be using this data. So the condition here is that, again, to locate how many students got 75 above. So we use the counter function and select Grace from Mark, and then comma, we use above 75. Okay, for English, use the same function, comma, 75 again, 4 again for the science subject, only one got 75 above. And lastly, for the Filipino subject, 75. Okay, only two students got 75 above. So the end function, here we check whether all the arguments are true. So equal sign end function, click this one, logical value, then whether that is true. For the English subject, true. And for the science subject, false. And for for the Filipino subject, so lastly, we want to know if how much money the school earned by the condition of having this one. So we will use the sum function, whether how much the school earned, equal sign, sum if, sum if here, then comma, we choose true, comma, and then this one. Oh, sum if this one, true, function, comma again, and then this one. Okay, the money earned by school is worth 15,000 pesos. That's how we create, or that's how we solve, or that's how we manage relational database. Thank you.